Now there are multiple ways of creating a triangle. You could create a triangle using the star tool, but also the polygon tool. Now I got this triangle right here. I'm just going to change the color to blue, and I'm just going to move it to the corner right here. Let's say you want this triangle to be fitting in the corner. So you want the top part of this triangle to be to the left to make a perfect triangle in the corner. So I'm just going to use that. I'm going to direct selection tool, going to select the top part and going to move it all the way to the corner. Like this. There we go. But as you can see, it doesn't really turn out quite good. So I'm going to select this point right here, going to delete it. I just move this point right here to the corner to create a triangle. And there you've got your triangle. But there is an easier way to do this. To do so, first we need the rectangle tool. So I'm just going to select rectangle tool. I'm just going to draw a box right here at the corner. And I'm just holding shift to create a perfect box. So right now I'm just going to center it perfectly in the corner. And now the only thing we need to do is deleting one of these 4 points to create a triangle. So I'll just go to direct selection tool. I'll just take the direct selection tool and delete this corner point right there. As you can see, right now we have easily created a triangle.